Hello students, so let us start with the more terms of the three-phase induction motor. We have already studied about the constructional parts and the working of the three-phase induction motor. So according to the working of the three-phase induction motor, the rotor rotates at the speed less than the synchronous speed. It tries to catch the synchronous speed, but it can never attain the synchronous speed, and it moves with the speed which is less than the synchronous speed. So related to that, we have got few terms which have to be studied as per the numericals point of view. So the terms I have written over here, it is slip and the slip speed concept, then the rotor frequency, rotor current, rotor power factor. So all these terms we will be deriving the expressions. We will not deriving, we will be finding out the expressions, and we will be applying these expressions in our numericals. Wherever in the numericals it is asked that finding the slip speed or rotor frequency, rotor current, rotor power factor, then we can easily calculate it. So let us start with the slip and slip speed concept. So as already we know that the rotor rotates with the speed less than the synchronous speed. So let us say that the rotor is rotating with the speed nr. Okay. Let the synchronous speed be ns, and speed of the rotor be nr, and the speed of the rotor be nr. So slip speed is the difference between this ns and nr, because ns is the synchronous speed and the rotor is moving less than that of the synchronous speed. So whatever is the difference between them is termed as slip speed. So slip speed is given by ns minus nr. So slip speed is given by ns minus nr. Okay. Now let us move on to the slip. What is a slip? Slip is given by ns minus nr upon ns. If we divide the slip speed with the synchronous speed, then we get the slip. Slip is actually the difference between the synchronous speed and the actual rotor speed. Okay. And if we want slip in the percentage, so percentage slip we will be multiplying by 100. So it will be given by ns minus nr upon ns into 100. To 100. Okay. So this is my percentage slip. Okay. So in this manner we will be finding out the slip and the slip speed in the numericals. Now the second term is the rotor frequency. Now the frequency of the state or the flux which is being revolving is different, and the rotor frequency is different. So let us find out what is the frequency of the rotor. Let the frequency of magnetic field BFS and that of rotor BFR. Okay, that of rotor BFR. So we already know ns is given by 120 f by p. Okay, with the synchronous speed, the frequency associated is fs. We have already assumed. Okay, then with the slip, the difference in the slip, the frequency associated with the rotor is fr. So ns minus nr is given by 120 fr upon p. The number of poles, p denotes the number of poles which is constant, which will be constant for any machine. It will be constant. It will not happen that when the rotor is stand still, the number of poles will be different, and when the rotor will start moving, the number of poles will be different. No, the number of poles will be same in all the cases. So p denotes the number of poles. Okay, p denotes the number of poles. So let us consider this to be equation 1 and this to be equation number 2. So if I divide equation 1 with 2, then what will I get? If I divide 1 with 2, then I'll be getting ns is equal ns will be equal to 120 fs by p upon 120 fr upon p. p gets cancelled, 120 gets cancelled. So I am left with ns upon ns minus nr, which will be equal to fs upon fr, reciprocating whole equation. Reciprocating whole equation. So I'll be getting ns minus nr, which will upon ns, which will be equal to fr upon fs, and this I already know. It is my slip, which is denoted by small s, which is always denoted by small s. So this is my slip. This forms my slip, which is denoted by small s. So my s is equal to fr upon fs, or my fr is equal to slip times fs. So this is my rotor frequency. Whenever we will be asked in the question that find out the rotor frequency, some values will be given to you. The fs will be given, some value will be given, and ns nr value will be given to you. Then you will be asked to find out the value of the rotor frequency. So with the help of this relationship, we can find the value of the rotor frequency. So this is my slip speed, this is my percentage slip, this is my slip formula, and this is my rotor frequency formula. Okay, so in the next video we will be studying about the rotor current and the rotor power factor. Okay, please like my videos and subscribe my channel Shruti Academy, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.